What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian with Mendez Mobile Detailing. Thank you guys for watching this video here. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, we're just gonna get straight into the video right here. So today we have a potential ceramic coating client. So we're actually gonna go ahead and do a test spot assessment now. I want to kind of show you guys how we do a test spot assessment, show you guys kind of how it is that we actually quote out ceramic coating jobs and stuff like that. So hopefully this video brings you guys better understanding and it brings you guys a lot of value. All right, you guys, we're in the shop. We're here at Router's shop, the man, the myth, the legend, man. Good morning. I'm just a little early.
Morning, bro.
Camera,
What's
man.
up, guys?
Tony's actually gonna walk me through how he does it for his clients, so that way I can incorporate that into my business, and that's why he's a very close friend of mine and mentor, because he's far ahead in the business and he knows kind of like how to properly quote it and stuff like that, so you're not losing money, because ceramic coating jobs are very tedious and they do take a long time. So we want to make sure that we're getting paid for our time and we're also making money, right? So catch you guys in a bit. We're going to go ahead and wait for the client. I'm going to chop it up with Tony, then drink some coffee, and then catch you guys in a second. So peace out. Let's get it. Brian, nice to meet you.
Yeah, Brian, man. Appreciate you taking the time.
Brandon, right?
Yep.
All right, perfect, man. Beautiful car. Nice car.
I appreciate it.
How long have you had it?
How long have I had it?
Yeah.
About 2.5 years now.
2.5. We're going to go ahead and do a quick test spot and stuff like that.
This is a two-step right there.
That's too soon?
Yeah, those are the conditions of your paint.
Yeah.
There, you can see,
Mm-hmm.
there is your two-step.
From where?
Can you see this right here?
Yes.
Yeah, that's how it was right here.
That's how it was,
Yes.
yeah. See this? Can you try that again?
All right, you two. So we have locked in the job. So we're going to go ahead and actually do a two-step correction to this Mustang here. Now we're getting ready to prep it and stuff like that, and things are moving pretty quickly here at the shop. So I'm really trying my best to capture everything. So right now we actually got it outside. We did a test spot assessment and stuff like that. Now we're just rinsing it down, cleaning the wheels, clay barn, iron decontamination, kind of just prepping it to get polished and stuff in the shop. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and enjoy this washing procedure. All right, you two. So now you guys see, we're just simply drying the vehicle off. We've washed it, we've prepped it for the paint correction and polish. We're gonna go ahead and make sure we blow in between all the cracks and crevices, eliminating all of the water, so that way when we're polishing, none of this stuff kind of like shakes and get on our pad and stuff like that. So. We have Tony from Router's Details actually doing the test spot. So you guys saw earlier that he did the test spot. Now this is to quickly show you guys. Now this is a one step, I'm pretty sure, right?
Yes.
All right, this is a one step. You guys can see with the light right here. I'm just confirming with Tony, you guys. And then this is a two step right here. Now keep in mind, you guys, this is a black vehicle and it has not been paint corrected or anything in over 20 years. This car is, I think, 2002, 2003, something like that. So it's a very old vehicle, fresh, not fresh paint, but the same exact paint. There's fresh paint on this door here, so we're gonna do a one-step polish for here, but the rest of the vehicle will get a two-step. You guys are gonna stay tuned. This thing is gonna look super immaculate. It's gonna look flawless. We're gonna get a lot of good content and footage for you guys. Make sure you guys check out Ryder's Details channel, because he's also recording the process, and he's also giving a lot of tips and pointers throughout his videos. So make sure y'all check it out. Stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and kind of just take some stuff up, get ready for the next step, and then we'll go ahead and start polishing this thing up, man. Let's get it. All right, YouTube, so you guys just kind of saw me quickly go ahead and do the first step. Now, the first step is going to consist of our Oberk, or Oberk, however you pronounce it, you guys. I'm not too sure what brand names, but Oberk Car Care. We're going to use the Supreme Cut. So we're going to use the first step as our cutting step, of course. So we're always going to go ahead and cut and compound for the first step, and then we're going to go ahead and follow up with the polishing and stuff like that. All right, you guys, so we just finished the first step of the paint correction process. So like I said in the beginning, we're going to go ahead and cut and compound the first step. And then the second step, we're going to just follow up with a light polish to remove some of these blemishes, as you guys see, some of these minor swirls that were left in the paint with the cut and compound. This car is turning out really nice, you guys. It has a nice gloss to it. Can't wait to have it ceramic coated at the end so we can really bring out the shine. But this thing is looking nice. It seems like it has a wide body kind of angle here, which makes it look super nice. Look at that. So we're gonna go ahead and continue on here. Tony said he's gonna heat up the steamer. He's gonna get all this stuff in between the cracks and crevices here. So we're gonna go ahead and do that before we actually start polishing onto this next step, because we need to make sure that the car is prepped and clean before we actually start continue on with the polishing and stuff like that. We like to clean as we go. So catch you guys in the second step. Stay tuned. Let's go.
Alright guys, so what we're doing now, we are applying this type of ceramic protection. This is like a really good spray sealing or coating, however you want to call it. And this is going to give us about, I want to say, from 8 to 1 full year of protection on our vehicle. And obviously, it all depends on how we take care about our vehicle, how we maintain the vehicle, which that's super important. But once again, the application, you're just gonna put a little bit on the surface of the applicator, and simple. You're just gonna apply it like a true or like a ceramic coating. Simple as that. You're gonna apply it, let it sit for maybe, I wanna say, the instructions said that it's gonna be a 2 to 5 minutes, and then you're gonna obviously remove it with a clean microfiber towel. So really nice product. And you guys can get this product. I know somebody's gonna ask. You guys can get this product at the Car Supplies Warehouse. And if you guys type RALDA10, you guys will be able to get 10% on the products that you guys purchase from Car Supplies Warehouse. Very important. So make sure you type that code. That way you guys will be able to save some money.
All right, YouTube, so we are almost done with this vehicle. Honestly, at this point, we just need to apply the tire shine and take those wheel covers off. But we just finished applying the 1-year ceramic coating. Now, we always try to customize the packages to our detailing client needs. So this client in particular had a budget. So we just worked with his budget and gave him the option of a 1-year ceramic coating, which was actually the one that we showed you guys earlier, the Purest Protection ceramic right here. So all we're just doing right now is just wiping it off for like a last pass. But you guys can honestly see the shine and gloss on this thing, you guys. Look at this car. It's looking super amazing, you guys. So we're actually gonna go ahead, like I said, add some tire shine, probably touch up the windows and glass. But besides that, this job is complete. Video is complete. Thank you guys so much for watching this entire video. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you learned something, make sure you comment down below. If you comment down below, I'll try my best to get back to you. So if you have any questions, make sure you guys ask. So without further ado, peace out, you guys. Hustle never settle. Hopefully you guys liked this video. And if you did enjoy and learn something in this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. So appreciate you guys. Hustle never settle. Catch you guys in the next one.